Is there a reason you wouldn't invest in gold? Yeah, there are some, and we created a separate video about that. In this video, I want to talk about some of the myths of gold. There's a lot of different assets and different salespeople, fund managers, and business people promoting their own assets. In the process, they make other assets look bad to encourage you to invest in theirs. We're not about that. If you've seen any of my videos or you subscribe to this channel, which I recommend that you do, or if you talk to anybody at Noble Gold Investments, we talk about diversification. Invest in many different assets. Gold is there to serve as a hedge, your last line of defense. It is not and will never be the end-all be-all of investments. That being said, we want to shed some light on some of the myths being spread by others about gold. Number one, upfront costs. As one might expect, gold in the form of coins or bullion will come with costs. This one is true, there is a cost. However, every asset has a cost. 401ks, IRAs, crypto, all other assets have costs. Some of them tell you what the costs are, some of them don't. The amount of money that people pay in 401ks over the life of the account, people would be surprised. There's a lot of articles about that. Noble Gold Investments is here. When you call us, we'll tell you the cost, the coins and the bars. You'll have an idea of the products that you have, and we're going to clearly explain that to you. We want to be upfront with you about what these things cost and how you can acquire them. So being transparent is something that we preach here and talk about at Noble Gold Investments. Myth number two, it's hard to liquidate. Noble Gold's buyback program is easy and fast. You can see the reviews. We have one of the best buyback programs out there, so don't be worried about that. Storage is a question that we get a lot. Pop culture loves the visual of a thief stealing gold bars for a reason, and that's the genuine fear for those who opt to invest in physical gold. If you go this route, proper storage and protection of your investment won't come cheap either, but it is important that if you're going to store it, you do it right. You can call us, we can go into some details about the storage facilities we use. Myth number three, it is a very volatile asset. Does the price of gold go up and down? Of course, but so does every other asset out there. Apple stock, for instance, was sitting at $156 on September 7th. By October 4th, it dropped to $139. That's a 9% drop in 1 month. Bitcoin dropped below 40,000 before this current bull run. Gold's price goes up and down, but nowhere near the volatility of other assets. That's why it is a hedge. Myth number four, gold has no utility. I hear this all the time. This is absolutely wrong. Gold is being studied to cure cancer, other chronic diseases, electronics, computers, phones, dentistry. I could go on and on. It has utility. Click on the link on the upper left of the screen in the description box and know more about the utilities of gold. Gold is not just in demand, it is also irreplaceable in the devices that it's used. There are many other myths being spread about gold, and we'll continue to create videos until we clarify all of those myths. But if there's any question you may have, remember you can always call us, 877-646-5347, or check out our website at noblegoldinvestments.com.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.